This Shopify store made 1,823 euros in the last 30 days from visitors who were already leaving. This one made 17,643 euros, same thing, with an ROI of 154x. We built a Shopify app that makes this happen, and today I'll show you exactly how it works, because 97% of your visitors leave without buying and you already paying for them. Hi, I'm Severin. My brother Julian and I built Boomerang. It's a Shopify app that stops visitors before they leave and turns them into buyers. Let me show you the real numbers first, then I'll explain how it works. This fashion brand made 564 euros with an ROI of 16.9. This high-ticket shop made 2,576 euros with a 70x. This supplement store made 14,915 euros with a 65 ROI. And this baby supplement store made 200 euros with a 6 ROI back. And it's all in the last 30 days. And here's the crazy part. Judge Me, one of the most installed review apps in the entire Shopify ecosystem with over 100,000 stores using it, tested our app, and here's what their team said. I love the concept. It feels illegal to use the app. From Neil Baton from Judge Me. And when one of the biggest Shopify apps recommends you, that means something. And we have more verified results, like here from GoGrow. They made 13,907 euros in the last 30 days with an ROI of 415. And here we have Rookie with 8,495 euros with an ROI of 37. And as you saw, these are real numbers, no fakes. And here's what happens in most stores. You pay for traffic like Google ads, Facebook ads, maybe influencers. Visitors come to your store, they browse around, they click on different products maybe, and they don't find what they are looking for. Then they click on the back button on the browser and they go back to Google or Facebook or wherever they come from. They made no purchase, no sale, and you have got no second chance. You already paid for that click, and this happens hundreds of times every day, and you're losing money every single day. And here's the solution we built. When the visitor comes from Google, clicks on your website, he lands on your store, he's browsing through your store, and he's not finding what he's looking for. Then he clicks on the back button in the browser. Here's step number 3, the custom landing page that converts the user. The customer sees a special landing page with urgency, social proof, and an offer. The page sells for you. It's all automatic, no coding, no extra work. You set it up once, then it runs every day. As you can see, you can offer here a special discount so that the user is convinced to buy in your shop. And why does it work so well? It's very simple. These visitors were leaving anyway. You're not losing anything. But now you get a second chance, one more shot to convert them. And because the landing page is built with psychological triggers, it works. Urgency, scarcity, social proof, everything that makes people buy. My brother and I have doing conversion optimization since 2016. We know what works and we build it into this app. And this app works best for you if you pay for traffic like Google, Meta or influencers, or you do SEO. You get at least 5,000 visitors per month. You want to make more sales without more ad spend. And of course, you have to use Shopify. This app is built for Shopify only. And as you saw, it works in every single industry: fashion, supplements, food, baby products, high ticket items. But the ROI is different for everyone. Most stores see 10 to 50x ROI, some even over 200x. Right now we have a special launch offer. You get 30 days free trial, you get full access, you get minimum 5x ROI, or you don't pay. It's all live in 10 minutes or less. You don't need a developer. And if you need help to set it up, you get a personal support from our team. If you want to try this, go to the Shopify App Store, search Boomerang Bounce Back, or click on the link below. 30 days free, custom landing page included. You can cancel anytime. You are already losing visitors every day. The only question is, do you want to get some of them back? Link below. See you inside.